Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the ignition off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This crucial first step prepares the arm for safe blade removal and prevents damage. Now, let's remove the old blade. Locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. Gently lower the arm back down. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is firmly attached before proceeding. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. To finish, test your new wiper blades by spraying windshield washer fluid and running them. Ensure they clear the glass effectively without streaks. For longevity, regularly clean your blades with a damp cloth. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your wipers in top shape ensures clear visibility and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.